Hello everyone, Callie Stormdoll here, and today we're in the world of Fortnite meets Hasbro. Yes, Hasbro has officially gotten the epic brand, Fortnite. And here we have the Amazon exclusive at the moment, Jules and Own pack. Yeah. Now Jules is one of my favorites from the Fortnite franchise. If you guys don't remember, a few months back I did a review of the miniature figure of Jules, and as soon as I took her out of the packaging, the figure fell apart. If you have not seen it, please go check it out. I will link it to the video. But here we have Jules, and she looks so pretty. Like, I'm so excited to have her. I don't know why she's one of my favorite. Her, Hoops, and the other basketball characters. Like, I really love the basketball characters too in Fortnite. I don't know why I'm like that. I love the humans. Like, I love the creatures as well. But I love the humans because I know that the humans are going to get me into action figures. And it's going to be like I have mini dolls. That's what I think about sometimes. Like, I love the more human ones. I think that's why I'm a fan of my homegirl Jules, because Jules is actually a human. Her skills is when it comes to being a mechanic. That's more of Jules' skills. I love the packaging, by the way, all cardboard all the time. So Jules comes with these silver wings. And these silver wings are actually for the Ohm figure. So this is pretty cool. I love the detailing on it. We also get this kind of lantern, I think this is. I'm not really sure right now. But it looks like we have a blonde bag as well. What's inside? Oh wow. Okay, oh wow. So I'm really not in a right mindset to be building right now. So should I just show you guys the pieces? So look, this is everything that comes with her. Oh, that's her. I do kind of want to build that. That's her pickaxe. Oh. Well, guys, I hope you're prepared to sit through this with me because I'm not building this stuff alone. It looks like, oh no, these are her accessories. Everything is in building. It's some fun stuff. So this is her mask, and it comes with the blue band and the yellow light in front. This is so cute. So this fits on your Jules figure. So when you have her at the mechanic graveyard, we could be like, Jules, you got a phone call, huh? And she can take it off, huh? Who said that? So that's pretty cool. I really like, well, I don't know what these are, but they also came with some silver figures. I mean, some silver pieces. If you guys are interested, let's see what else she comes with. Oh, this is the bird. I thought the whole thing was the bird. See, look, this is the bird by itself. See, I thought it would make sense that this is what we're building. So this is the bird? Oh, wow. So what are we actually putting together? I wish Jules had the ability of speak, because maybe she will be able to help us out. I don't know. But it looks like, oh, this is what this connects to. No, it's not. I don't know. Let's see. Let's keep going. Oh, God. It's another bird. Oh, God. I just can't understand this. Okay, so she comes with a wrench. Oh, 2 wrenches. Oh, these are her weapons. Okay, Jules is from the hood. Hey, Jules. Look, guys. Like, these are her weapons. And this is another wild bird. What is with these wild birds living in her packages? Let's move on to the Zol. This is Jules. She looks so pretty. Okay. Let me put this together. It looks like Jules is okay. Okay, just under 6 inches. Hey, Bob. Yeah, so this is Jules. She's literally an exact replica of Jules from the video game. She's so cute. Hey, Jules. Jules, you know you my homegirl. I'm so glad that you're one of the first female 6-inch human characters to be made, and you may be the very first, not one of the first. You may be the very first Jules. I would revel in it. They did so good with her details. One thing about Hasbro, they're coined. So Hasbro can definitely, wow, get this look together. I'm loving it, Jules. You are so pretty. Now, as far as articulation goes, it looks like she's articulated at the head, the shoulders. Oh. So she has the midsection. Ooh, she has the one bend. Is it a double bend? One bend. She has wrist, hips, thigh cut, knee, ankle rockers, back and forth, and then that's it. But that's enough, and that's actually a lot. Can you hold on to your weaponries? Because, Jules, I heard you don't play. Yes, that's my homegirl, Jules. Now, Jules is the first out of the females, and I'm going to show you guys something. So, a while back, there was a company that used to have the rights to Fortnite, and they made this guy. So, he's also a human character. And let me see how they kind of compare. He's not made by Hasbro, though. So he's like a painter of some sorts. I don't really know his name, but let's see. They kind of are almost in scale. Something going on with their neck, it looked like, as well. Both of them have something going on with their neck, but it's almost giving. It's not really giving, but it could almost give. For people who want more height comparisons, I do have a few other characters here you guys may be familiar with, or maybe not. So we have another female character, Bonnie, and then we also have Shaggy from Scooby-Doo. So you guys can get some of these comparisons going. You can kind of get into that height comparator, if you will. You know, and if you want another one, I know you know these two characters. So you can kind of get in that height comparator and kind of see what Jules is giving. Now, one thing about me, I love a character who can blend into Callie Stormdoll's mausoleum of toys. And one thing I wanted to see is how well Jules scaled with a WWE figure. Because I want her to be his mechanic. Because they run cars and they need mechanics. So I wanted to see how she scales. And it looks pretty good. I'm actually impressed. Her detailing and everything actually withstands other figure lines. Hey, Jules. Well, I want to thank you guys for watching today. This set is currently on Amazon, and I believe it is currently $40. But Amazon does often discount. If you have Prime, it drops to $28 often. Just catch it at $28, and you can definitely get this set. For you guys who are fans of the owl and everything like that, I really didn't put him together in this review, which is okay, because if you guys really enjoy this set, just simply make the purchase. I have a personal goal on this channel. I'm trying to get to 5K. If you like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel, you can help me get there. I'll see you guys in the next one. Oh, Jules, someone just knocked at the door. Well, who was it, boo? Look, guys, who's that girl? Yeah, so over here, I have Sky and Allie. Allie and Sky are a part of the new Hasbro action figures of Fortnite, and stay tuned because I will be reviewing her as well. Me and Jules are gonna welcome them to the e-party. Jules, you excited? Oh my goodness, she's so excited. So I can't wait to see what Sky's bringing to the party. Her look is very cartoony, and I'm here for it. I'll see you guys next time. Come on, Jules. Bye.